Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter 13. In GK book, you have to open page number 14, chapter number 13, Indian musical instrument. Musical instruments are generally divided into three categories: wind instruments, string instruments, and percussion instruments. First of all, we will know wind instrument. What is the meaning of wind instruments? A wind instrument is a musical instrument in a which a column of air is set into vibration by the player. In this picture, you have to see some musical instrument. Here, wind instruments is Shehnai. This is Shehnai. This is wind instrument. Next, venue. This is also wind instrument. And in this picture, bean. This is also wind instrument. Next is string instrument. String instruments. A string instrument is a musical instrument that makes sound by vibrating the strings on it. The strings are plucked to produce sounds. Each string has a different frequency. The violin is a small string instrument played with a bow usually made of horsehair. Made of horse's hair. So string instruments is sitar. This is the picture of sitar. This is string instrument. And in this picture, santur. Sarod. This is also string instrument. And next is santur. This is also string instrument. Understood, students? Next is percussion instrument. A percussion instrument is a musical instrument that is sounded by being struck or stopped by a beaters, including attached or enclosed beaters or rattle struck, scraped or rubbed by hand or struck against another similar instrument. Percussion instrument is ghattam. This is ghattam and kanjira. This is kanjira. This is also percussion instrument. And next is mridgam. Mridgam. This is the picture of percussion instrument. Mridgam. Mridgam. Understood? First is wind instrument. Now put the instruments you have just seen in the right categories in the table given below. First is wind instrument. Do you know what is the wind instrument? Yes, first is Shehnai. You have to write here Shehnai. Shehnai. Shehnai is a wind instrument. And second, Venu. Venu. Venu is also wind instrument. Then bean. Bean is a wind instrument. Next category is string instruments. In string instruments, names are first is sitar, then sarod, then santur. These all are string instrument. Next, percussion instruments. Ghatam, kanjira, and mridgam. 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 Understood, students?